This is one of my client's website. We are visiting the home page of the website, and he wants to remove the bar that is white. Inspect the website, click on the select icon and mouse on the bar. This will show this is the div. And if we say that this is an Elementor section, so if you want to remove, this is an Elementor section, so we have to use Elementor. So let's edit with Elementor. Let's create, click on the bar. This is under the header. You click on the section, this is a container. But if we remove the container, what is happened here? Let's publish once again and see our bar is removed. But I don't like the menu bar like that. So if we click on that and the menu bar, okay, and publish, the menu bar is fixed right now. Okay. If we see the mobile version, okay, all okay now.